A particle moves from point A to point B along the line shown in the figure under the action of force F is equal to minus x I cap plus y j cap. Determine the work done on the particle by F in moving the particle from point A to point B. So it is very simple question. Here the displacement is given. So it is asking to how much work is done to moving this particle from this to this. So work done is equal to force into displacement. So simply you can use this force is given as minus x I cap plus y j cap. So let's solve. So and displacement will become dx I cap plus dy j cap. So the work done is equal to force into displacement. So simply integrate them. So it will be from my 1 to 0 minus x dx and 0 to 1 y dy. So integrate it and substitute the values. You will get the work done will be 1 joule. So our answer is 1 joule.